Hi students, it's the Reluctant Online Professor here to help you organize your Canvas dashboard. How do we do it? Here we go. So here I am at my dashboard and I have 9 classes as an example here. And let's say I don't want them in this order. What can I do? I can easily move them. All I do is click on the 3 dots and pull it. Can change them alphabetically, by day of the week, whichever way I would like. That's the first thing. The second is, what if I want to color code it and I don't like this color green? I can choose a different color. But what if I don't like those colors? Then what? That's a hex color code, and I'll show you how to find out all the other hex color code numbers. So we go to Google and we type in Hex Color. And then this lovely color picker comes up. And you can move the bar across and pick whatever color you would like. Even get darker or lighter. Let's say I wanted a really pretty blue that I couldn't find on Canvas. And I go ahead and say, oh, I want this color. And I take that code, I copy it. I go ahead and then I move over back to Canvas. I click on this, change the hex color code here, apply it, and there's my pretty color. The last tip I have is to change the name of the class. So you can go here and look at nickname and decide that you want to change it maybe by when the class is, or just by the title of the class, maybe the teacher's name, whatever is easier for you to help you remember which class it is. You can go ahead and make a nickname for every single one of your classes. I hope you found this tip helpful on how to organize your dashboard. There are so many other tips and tricks about Canvas. All it takes is a little bit of searching and a little bit of diligence, and you will get organized on your Canvas class. Thanks so much for listening.